Saving data for a unique row in a table as a PDF offers several advantages for data analysts in Excel. First, it allows for easy sharing of specific information without exposing the entire dataset, ensuring confidentiality and relevance. This targeted approach minimizes the risk of data misinterpretation by focusing on the essential details. Additionally, PDFs maintain formatting and layout, presenting data in a professional manner that is easily accessible across different platforms. This format is ideal for reporting, as it prevents unauthorized edits, preserving data integrity. Moreover, saving unique rows as PDFs facilitates efficient documentation, enabling analysts to archive important data snapshots for future reference or compliance purposes. Overall, this method enhances both clarity and security in data presentation. Now, to save a form as a PDF file, click the Save as PDF button. You will be prompted to enter the folder name where you want to save the PDF document, either on the desktop or in the Documents folder. Let's enter A1 as the folder name and then click OK. A new window will appear requesting you to enter the file name for the PDF document. Let's enter Help and then click OK. A confirmation message will display, indicating that it was saved. Just click OK. Next, navigate to folder A1 and open the PDF. This is our saved PDF document. Notice how the screening description cell has not been automatically adjusted. This is different from how the Word document was saved. The PDF doesn't adjust automatically, but we can modify it later to ensure it behaves like the Word document. You cannot manually adjust anything in the PDF unless you first convert it to an editable format, such as Word. This is how the form is saved. See how effective this macro is. In conclusion, we have covered how to use this feature to enhance your Excel experience. If you'd like to learn how other features work, please watch my full tutorial on automating tasks in Excel with macros and VBA. I've included the link in the video description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming content.